Good morning. Let's start this day with a beautiful game. Are you ready, children? The name of the game is I Spy. So now I'm going to take you to your classroom and describe few objects. What you have to do is you have to guess the objects based on their descriptions, that is size, shape and color. Are you ready? Here we go. I spy something that is big in size, rectangular in shape, and green in color. What is it? I spy something that is rectangular in shape, big in size, and green in color. What is it? I spy something that is round, red. It is very sweet and juicy. What is it? I spy something that is red, round, and it is very sweet and juicy. What is it? I spy something that is very pretty and colorful. I spy something that is very pretty and colorful. What is it? I spy something that is long and it is very useful to us. It helps us to draw lines. What is it? I spy something that is long and it helps us to draw lines. What is it? I spy something that is beautiful and it has 7 colors. I spy something that is beautiful and it has 7 colors. What is it? I spy something that is green, long and very spicy. I spy something that is long, green and spicy. What is it? I spy something that is black and it helps us to sit. I spy something that is black and it helps us to sit. So children, how many objects were you able to guess? How were you able to guess those objects? Right, based on its description, that is size, shape and color. Now I am going to narrate a beautiful story. Please listen carefully. The hungry fox saw a black crow. The crow had a ripe banana. The clever fox had a plan. He told the crow what a lovely voice she had. He asked the crow to sing a song. The foolish crow opened its mouth to sing, and the ripe banana fell. The cunning fox ate it and went away. The moral of the story is, don't believe everything you hear. Not everyone has your best interests at heart. So now, let us look at the sentences that we have used in the story. The hungry fox saw a black crow. Children, now I want you all to point out the nouns. Nouns are naming words, right? So in this sentence, which are nouns here? Fox and crow, right? Is hungry a noun? Is black a noun? Is it naming something? No. Here, hungry is describing the fox. What kind of fox? Hungry fox. In the same way, black. Black is describing the crow. What kind of crow? Which color is it? Black. So your hungry and black are describing the nouns fox and crow. Hungry is describing the noun fox and black is describing the noun crow. It is telling us something more about the noun. The crow had a ripe banana. So, tell me, which are the nouns here? Crow and banana. So, which word is giving you more information about banana? What kind of banana is it? Ripe. The word ripe that is highlighted in orange is telling you more information about the noun banana. Right, children? So, hungry, black, ripe, the words that are telling you or giving you more information about the nouns, what they are called, children? They are called describing words. In grammar, they are called adjectives. So today we are going to learn about describing words, that is adjective. The clever fox had a plan. So what kind of fox? First let us find out the noun. So here fox is a noun. Now tell me what kind of fox? Clever fox. So your word clever is describing the noun fox. He told the crow what a lovely voice she had. So what kind of voice she had? Lovely. So here the word lovely is describing the crow's voice. What kind of voice? Lovely. So lovely is an adjective. He asked the crow to sing a song. The foolish crow opened its mouth to sing. So, naming word, noun is crow. So, which word is describing crow here? Foolish. So, foolish is a describing word that describes the noun crow. So, it is called an adjective. And the ripe banana fell. So, which word is describing banana here? Ripe. What kind of banana? Ripe one. So, your ripe is describing the noun banana. So, the word foolish and ripe are an adjectives. The cunning fox ate it and went away. What kind of fox? Cunning. So, the word cunning is describing the noun fox. It is telling something more about the noun fox. So, cunning is an adjective. So, today we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. I repeat, adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Let's look at few more examples. The apple is red. So first, let us find out the noun. So which one is noun here? Right, apple. What kind of apple? Red. So the word red is telling us the color of the apple. What kind of apple? Red one. So red is describing the noun apple. It is giving us more information about the apple. Right, children? Now look at this teddy. I have a big teddy. What kind of teddy? A big teddy. So the word big is describing this teddy. Teddy is a noun. So which word is describing this teddy? How is it? Big. It is telling us the size of this teddy, right? The word big is telling us the size of this teddy. So big is an adjective. Look at these beautiful balloons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many balloons are there? There are 8 balloons. How many balloons? 8 balloons. So which word is describing the noun balloons here? 8, the number 8. So 8 is an adjective. It describes the noun balloons. Here it is telling us the number, and it is answering the question how many. So here in this example, adjective is telling us the number of noun. How many? 8. The girl is holding a rectangular book. So your book is a noun. And which word is describing noun book? What kind of book? Rectangular. So here what it is telling us? Is it telling us color? Is it telling us size? No. It is telling us the shape of the object, that is rectangular. So adjectives tells us the shapes of any objects. Rahul is 2 years old. How old is Rahul? He is 2 years old. So here it is telling us the age. How old is he? 2 years. So 2 is telling us the age of Rahul. So 2 is an adjective. So adjectives are describing words. They tell us something more about noun or pronoun. They tell us color, size, texture, shape. For example, it tells us the color. What is the color of sky? Blue, right. What is the color of your hair? Black. It tells us the size. Small. What is the size of the teddy? Big. Small, large, tall, short. It tells us the texture. Smooth. How is the teddy? Smooth. Soft. See this soft. Hard. Fluffy. Bumpy. Right? It also tells us the shape. Square, round, oval, curved, wide, narrow, crooked, flat. So now children, let us know why we need to learn adjectives. Why it is so important. Adjectives are not required in the way that a subject and verb are. But adjectives are important because they provide additional description of whatever you are describing. Now compare at these sentences. I ate an ice cream is a perfectly sentence. Yes or no? It's a perfect sentence. But if I say I ate a yummy delicious ice cream. So here the adjectives yummy and delicious are adding more information to ice cream, to the noun ice cream. It is telling that ice cream is yummy and delicious. So adjectives make sentences more colorful and interesting. Now let's look at one more example. If I say I saw a movie last night. If I say this, will our conversation will go forward? No. But if I say I saw an interesting movie, so you will be interested also. You'll ask me, wow, which movie? Yes or no? Yes, then our conversation will go forward. So these adjectives are very important. They make nouns more colorful and more informative. So children, try to use adjectives in your writing skill. It will make your writing more beautiful and colorful. Now, let's find out some of the adjectives in the story The Jamun Tree. So, which describing words are used here to describe Jamun Tree? Tall and beautiful. Tall, beautiful are the two words used to describe the noun Jamun Tree, right? Tall and beautiful. Next, during the sweltering summer months. So which word is describing summer here? Sweltering. So sweltering is an adjective. Delicious. How are the jamun fruits? Delicious to taste, right? So delicious is an adjective. Let's climb up to those large branches. What kind of branches? Large. So large is also an adjective. Many animals had the tree their home. How many animals? Many. So here many is an adjective. Let's build a giant Meiji. So which word is describing Meiji here? Giant. So giant is an adjective. We'll have a great celebration. What kind of celebration? Great. So which word is describing celebration here? Great. So a giant bonfire. So which word is describing bonfire here is giant. We can chop down some of the biggest branches of the jamun tree. So which word is describing branches here? What kind of branches? Biggest. So biggest is an adjective. A few days later. How many days later? Few. So few is an adjective here. Great climbers. How are Ricky and Jonah? They are great climbers. So which word is describing climbers here? Great. So great is an adjective. Soon Ricky and Jonah were high on the branches of the jamun tree. So where were they? High. So high is an adjective. There is a nest with 2 young hawk kites here. So which are the adjectives here? 2 and young. And there is an enormous beehive here. So which is an adjective here? Which is describing beehive? Enormous. So enormous is an adjective. It must be 2 years old at least. So how many years old? 2. So 2 is also an adjective. The tree is home to so many creatures. So which word is describing creatures here? How many creatures? Many. So many is an adjective. My class is planting some suburban saplings. What kind of saplings? Suburban saplings. Some saplings they are going to plant. So some is an adjective. So that bigger trees are saved. What kind of trees are saved? Bigger trees. So bigger is describing the noun trees. So bigger is an adjective. So children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe noun or pronoun. They tell us the color, size, texture, shape of any objects. So that's all for children. That's all for today. Have a great day. Thank you.